Yay guys, we found a pant for tomorrow and I'll show you all the pant now. So it's not Lal Darwaza, sorry, it's not Kalupur, it's Lal Darwaza. So Siddhi Sayyed, near to Siddhi Sayyed, there's that Katwala. From there I bought it. It's just for 100 rupees and it looks so nice. It kind of looks like a jogger. So yeah, desperate times call for desperate needs. So I'm very angry with urban people, but because of them I got to use my brains even a little more. So I finally bought it. I'll show you all how it is. So did you all like it? It's very nice, no? Must. So on a very jittery note, I'm starting this vlog because actually I had ordered from Urbanic and I had ordered on the 4th. So I'm supposed to go to Gir tomorrow, which is on the 18th. So I had ordered on the 4th and I thought probably within 10 days it will come. But today I just received a message that it has just been shipped to India, and I was counting all my gear clothes. I was counting on basis of that because everything was ordered from there, and now I am with the left with no option. I'm like, now will I do? So entire like since I woke up, I've been just looking at my reels, and I've been seeing what clothes I have, what clothes I can pair. I have literally made a mess here. And then deciding what I'll be going for 4 days. And it's a road trip basically because Gir is in Gujarat and I am based out of Ahmedabad, which is also in Gujarat. So I've just made a mess of everything. You can see here all the clothes. I've just been piling clothes and seeing what I'll do. So now I've come up with a solution because yeah, so now I've come up with a solution. What I'm thinking of doing is that I will go ahead and go to Kalupur. That's a railway station, Kalupur. So outside that there are those cart, they sell things on cart. So I've seen few jogger kind of things. So I'm thinking I'll go and buy from there because right now I'm not sure because I've placed an order in Urbanic and I paid quite some amount of money there. So it does not make sense to buy, another same kind of loungewears and joggers and all, which I won't be wearing that frequently. I won't unless I'm going to some adventurous trip or mountain hiking and all. And plus I don't want to waste money. So what I'm thinking is that I will go to Kalupur. There they sell it on the road, so it is not that expensive. So I'll go there and I'll buy joggers and sweatshirts. I'll just search a bit. I'll need to search a lot, of course, but I'll search a bit and then I'll buy from there. And then I will pair that for my trip. So some I have already got through my reels and all, like this jumpsuit. I'll wear this jumpsuit in Sasan gear. Then kurti. Anyway, they don't have kurti. Kurti I had kept it in mind, and that is there. So I'm just short on 2 to 3 outfits. So I'll go there and I'll pile that up. So now I'm just packing few stuff. It's a sure mess. So I'll just pack it and then show you all in the end how much I have, what all I've taken. So usually what I do is that whenever I have to go on trips like this, I make a note. So in my phone I've kept notes like pack this, pack that, everything, sunglasses, everything, because then you forget. So for past 10 days I've just been writing on that notes, and today I'll finally do everything. So yeah, I'll start doing it now. So guys, I'm just packing few stuff for the photo shoot. Like I was supposed to do a photo shoot of all these items, but then I thought I'll do it in gear instead of doing here. So yeah, those were the clothes that I've packed, so that I was supposed had receive them to do a photo shoot and give it to the brand, but then I had kept it because I was going to Gir. I thought nature and all nice pictures become, so that is why I had kept it. Otherwise here how the situation is, you have to go to the terrace and click pictures, or inside the house you have to click pictures. You can't travel much and click pictures here. So that's the reason I kept that. So that is out of the way. That was the main thing that is out of the way. Now I'll keep whatever clothes I have in hand, I'll keep that. and then I'll be leaving for Kalupur in another half an hour. So this itself took 1 hour to sort four five dresses and accessories and bags for it. Now we'll go to Kalupur and we'll buy joggers and something which I can wear for travel as kind of lounge wear. I've actually, I remember buying one. I think 1 or 2 years ago, and I had bought it for something 200 rupees so that I can wear it in the house. But it was so nice, I could wear it outside. It was that nice. So I'm thinking, yeah, let's see. I'll show you. It looks very this sketchy. The place looks very sketchy and all, but I like the clothes. We'll dump. And anyways, as I said, I don't want to spend much because I've already put in an order, and that's around 3,500 or something. So I don't want to spend on the same outfit again. So yeah, it's a task. Yeah. Now I have other clothes to mend. Ah, it's 2:30 in the afternoon. Finally, my crises are averted. I have found everything that I can wear in this 4 days of 4 days trip from my closet itself. So I got out all the jumpsuits that I had, joggers that I had. So crisis is averted. I don't need to go and buy the cycling shorts because I cancelled that look. Instead, I'll wear a joggers and crop top with a over jacket since it will be a little colder there. So that's done. Now in between all that, I even cooked lunch. I'll show you all what I've cooked. So I made some coconut rice. Then I made this thing with it. So with that, I've made this takari. We call it takari toran. It's made with tomato, coconut milk and stuff like that. So I made takari toran. And last night we had made we'd made fish curry. So we have fish curry and this. And apart from that, I also have made fried fish. So guys, this was the mess that I made before leaving. So guys, I just got ready. Ready as in I just applied lipstick and kajal. Uh, so now what I'll be doing is that I'll be heading straight there, and I've clicked a picture of what I have worn. So I'll put that whatever my OOTD is in the next screen after this. So now I'll meet you all directly at Kalupur.
दे देगा वो सिलाई का काम करता है वो 1 मिनट में दे देगा आपको।
और ये कितने को दिया?
वो भी 120
ये इस कलर में नहीं है, इधर कुछ है लगता है कि वो कलर
कट जाए वो 1 मिनट।
So we bought the pants and all from there. We just had to buy one item, so we bought that. I must say, Lal Darwaza, hardly there were any people. Like usually on a Sunday, there's so many people in Lal Darwaza. There were hardly any people there. So I'll do a separate video of Lal Darwaza. It's a street market in Ahmedabad. You get many stuff there. I usually buy accessories and stuff, not preferably clothes because I don't like clothes out there. This one I got it for a very nice deal, hardly I think 200 rupees or something. So I'll do another video separately of Lal Darwaza, like the street markets of Ahmedabad. I'll do a series of all the street markets that I know. Now actually I came out from Lal Darwaza. We are hunting for a cake. One of Harish's friends. It's his anniversary, and we are hunting for a cake. So we came to Dangy Duck from here. Let's see. We didn't like the cake variety here. Let's go ahead and see if we want a smaller cake, not a bigger cake, because neither we eat that much of cake, nor do they. So we'll head out to some other place, and I'll take you along. Piku, hey, hi, bol Piku.
Hi.
Hi.
काय पापा
आजकल तू दवा खोज के
काय पापा मम्मी पीकू का
अच्छा तू घर पे अकेली है? घर पे अकेली है? उतार मास्क, यू भी उतार मास्क, मास्क उतार दे, उतार दे मास्क। मास्क उतार दे। स्माइल स्माइल।
यार मम्मी यार तू कितना मोटा है। सोने दे।
अरे पीकू तू पतली है, वो बराबर नहीं। तू भी थोड़ी मोटी हो जा, बच तू भी कितनी मोटी थी इसके टाइम,
हाँ।
वैसी हो जा मस्त
और
गुबू
यार ये
गुबू।
तो बहुत मोटा है।
पर ये पतला नहीं लग रहा तुझे?
ओ हेलो पसीना आ रहा है नीचे उतरो मेहमान। ब्रेक ब्रेक ब्रेक।
तूने इसको अबैंडन कर दिया पीकू।
ना मेहमान।
तू आता है
ऑल्ड माई हेयर, पूरा चंपू होके बैठी हूँ मैं। सो आई ऑल्ड माई हेयर एंड नाउ आई विल प्रिपेयर विद ऑल दीज थिंग्स। आई हैव टू पुट अप सम स्टफ ऑन Instagram. I'll do that. Once this is done, then I'll take a hair bath, and then after that I'll do my cleanup. It's already 8:30. I have to do all this, sleep, and tomorrow I have to wake up early. So yeah, but the thing is that what I do when I get into the car, I go off to sleep. So that's the reason I can hustle as much as I want, like at home, because then I don't have to drive. All I have to do is sit and sleep. Hey guys, so I just washed my hair right now. I'm not doing a hyperlapse of all the activities is because I don't have that handheld tripod. I need to buy that so that I can keep. The one that I have is like a bigger tripod. That's the reason I'm not doing a hyperlapse. Next time onwards, I'll start doing a hyperlapse. So I just conditioned my hair. I have to wash my hair. Now I will go ahead and scrub my face. I'll do a cleanup. Usually I do the this is the face scrub that I use, and then I'll be doing this Himalaya ka pack only. Usually I do the Isha's pack, but then I'm not able to find that the Chandan Rakta Chandaram packet, and now I don't want to sit and search at 11:30, so I'll be using this pack. I have done a video, a separate video, I remember, of how to do your face cleanup at home. I will put that down in the description box below. Y'all can go ahead and check it out. So now once this conditioner is already set, so I'll just wash it off and then do this, and then I'll quickly sleep. It's already 11:30 now, so if I sleep at by 12:30, once I take a shower and all, then I can mm, I'll at least complete 4 to 5 hours of my sleep, because tomorrow I have to wake up at 5 o'clock. Because I'll make aloo parathas, and that's all that we are making for dinner. We are not carrying anything. We'll eat something there, or we are carrying bread also. So yeah, so packing is done. Everything is taken, and I'm so happy that I got that pants. Now I'm thinking I should have searched a little more and seen if I could have got a sweatshirt. If I could have got a sweatshirt, it would have been like a proper set, lounge set. But yeah. So one thing about Urbanic that I want to tell you all is that please order it. If you're planning a trip or something like that, please order it like way 1 month before. 15 days से भी ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. So please do that. So yeah, I'll just do that, and I think I'll probably, okay, no, after I do a face cleanup and all, then I'll close the vlog.